Hello friends, welcome to EasyCoding with Ammara, and in this video I will show you how you can send the notification in Flutter. And also in this video I am going to use a PHP code and 000 web host website to send a notification in the Flutter app. So before starting, first of all I will show you, this is my GitHub account and you can find many codes in this GitHub account, and if you need the code, then just check the description box. Okay, and let's start viewing the demo app. So inside this demo app you will see this type of button, and when I click on this button I call a link, and inside that link I write the PHP code. And also you will know that if you want to send the notification, then your app is must in the background. So when I click on this button, I make this app in the background. So let's click on this button and you will see this type of notification icon. And inside this notification, you will see I set the title and body of this message. And if I click on this notification, then you will see this app is open. And now let's click on this icon once again. And you will see the sound of the notification, because the first time my phone is silent, so that's why I on the notification sound. So you will see this type of notification, and now again click on this notification, you will see this type of app is open. Okay, so now let's open the Android Studio and start coding for this app. And I create this type of new project inside the Flutter and just remove all this code because we don't need this code. And after that you have to remove this code from here. Remove this whole code. And now I'm going to select Android from here and create a new package for the notification. And create a new .dot file. I call it first page. Import this material .dot package, and after that create a stateful class and copy this class name and then call it from here. Then press Alt Enter to import this first page, and you will see this type of error is removed. Okay, so now the first thing is you must have a token of the mobile device in which you want to send the notification. Okay, so you will see the notification is sent in my mobile because I get the token of my mobile device and pass in the function. Okay, so your first step is that you have to get the token of the mobile device, and for the mobile device token I am going to import some package. So let's select project from here and open this file and write this package name. So this is the package which is Firebase messaging. And now let's open this page and click on this get dependencies, and you will see it is imported successfully. And now just close this. Okay, so now I am going to declare two variables. The first one is Firebase messaging and the second one is token, to store the token, and this is for getting the token from the mobile device. And first just press Alt Enter to import this package. So now just overwrite a method which is init method by pressing Ctrl O and write init And inside this method, I am just going to call another function, which is Firebase Cloud Messaging underscore listener. And now I am going to create this method here. And inside this method, I am just going to get the token of the mobile device. Okay, so you will see that inside this method, I just get the token of the device, and after that, I store that token inside this token one variable and then set this state. And you will know that why we set the state. Whenever the value inside some variable is changed, then we have to use this set state method. Okay, so now we have a mobile token where we want to send the notification. Now the next step is call the PHP file, and for calling that PHP file, first we are going to create the PHP file, and inside that file we just write the code for sending the notification, okay, to this token. So now I am going to open this Sublime text to write the PHP code. And if you do not have this tool, then you can use the notepad for writing the PHP code. And now first I'm going to create a new file and store this file inside the C, XAMPP and this folder. Notification new.php. Okay, and if you did not have this XAMPP setup, then it's okay. I just write this code here and then I just copy this file and paste in the 00 web host website. There is no need to install this XAMPP. Okay, and now I just save this file and write the PHP code. And just to remove this one bracket. So now the first step is you have to define the API key of the Firebase project which you are using. So first I am going to connect this project with our Firebase project. You will see I did not connect this project with the Firebase project, and you will see there is no JSON file. Okay, so first I'm going to connect this project with the Firebase project. And if you did not create any project, then you have to click on add project and then create a new project. And if you did not know how to create a new project, then check in my channel how to connect the Firebase project with the Flutter project. Okay, so in this video I'm going to use this project, which is PDF project, and now I'm going to download the JSON file from here, from this project. So go to settings and you will see this type of Google services JSON. You have to download this file, and first I'm going to check in my downloads that there is no other JSON file. So if you have the JSON file downloaded already, so you have to delete that file. Okay, so you will see there a JSON file. So first I'm going to delete this file, and now if I search for G, there is nothing, no other file inside this. So now just download this file, Google services, and you will see the file is downloaded. And now I'm going to copy this file and paste inside my project. Okay, so now right click and paste this file, and also make sure there is nothing else here, like if you have brackets like this and you have to write 1, 2, so it gives error. Okay, so make sure that there is no text other than this Google services.json. Then click on OK, and now I'm going to remove this package name and write the package name of this project which is push notification Flutter. And for that, I am going to open this build.gradle and copy this package name, open this JSON services and paste it here. Okay, so now this is okay. Okay, so now the next thing which is more important is that first you have to include the JSON file, and after that you have to write the dependencies for connecting the Firebase with the Flutter. And now I am going to add two important libraries to connecting the Firebase with the Flutter. The first one is you have to paste here, which is inside this build Gradle, which is inside this app. Okay, not inside this build.gradle. Now open this file and paste this here. Okay, so now these are two libraries which you have to include if you want to connect with the Firebase. And the next thing which is important is this JSON file. And now the connection is done. And now if you open this JSON file, you will see that there is a link of the project, Firebase project. I copy this project and open this project in the Google. So I paste this. Now just go to settings, open this cloud messaging, and you will see this type of key. Just copy this key and open your this PHP file and paste this key here. Now the next step is you have to write this line if you want to send the data, send the notification. Okay, and now store the token inside this token variable, and you will see this type of $_post token, because I want to get this token from the Flutter app, and I pass the token from the app to this PHP file. Okay, so now open the Android Studio and pass the token to that PHP file. And for that, first I am going to create the button, this button. Okay, and this is very simple button, you will see. Okay, so first I remove this code and create a and inside this body I am going to paste that code, and this is the code. And inside this code you will see I just create a column, and inside this column I create a flat button, this flat button. And inside this flat button, first I write a code for on click, and when someone click on this button, then I call this function, and after that I just write a column and text which is set. Okay, so now I'm going to create this get queue function, and inside that function I just call the PHP file and I create this function here, and you will see this type of function, and inside this I just paste the link of the PHP file later. And after that you will see that here I pass the token, and you will see I pass the token here. So if the token is not equals to null, then it call this link and send the token, and otherwise it show token is null. And you will see this type of error. So first to remove this error by importing this. So this is the library, and if you want to import this library you have to include some package here, which is HTTP, and now click Control S for save and click on this. Okay, so now it is executed successfully and you will see this type of error. So press Alt Enter and import this library. And I paste the link of PHP file here when I upload the PHP file in the 000 web host. Okay, so now you will see that I pass this token to that PHP file. So that's why I get this token and store this token inside this token variable. Okay, so now the next step is create a variable notification, and inside this variable I stored all these things: title, body, icon and sound. And this icon and this sound is set by default, which and if you want to change this icon and sound, then you can write here. And after that, if you want to change the title, like I am going to write here EasyCoding, and like here, so you will see I change this title and body. And in your case you have to post the data, like I post the token here, and then you can pass the title and body here. And after that you have to set some other data, and you will see this type of two, and inside this two you have to pass the token where you want to send the notification. So I want to send the notification inside my mobile, so that's why I'm going to write this token, and inside this token I just pass this token which is coming from the Flutter app. Okay, and after that you have to set this data, and inside this data you will see that I pass this notification, which is this notification. So I receive this data inside my Flutter app, and after that you will see this type of header, and inside this header I simply pass this key, which is this FCM key, and it is coming from the Firebase database. And in the last step we just send the notification by writing this code, and inside this code I just pass this header, and after that the link, and which is this link, and inside this link we just write this code to send the notification, and after that we just close this connection and also echo this result. Okay, so now I am going to save this file by press Ctrl S, and after that I am going to copy this file and paste this file inside 000 web host, and you will see this type of account in 000 web host. And if you did not have any account, so first you have to create the account inside this 000 web host, and I will show this. So you will simply search for 000 web host, and after that you have to click on this link. You will see this type of layout, and if you have the account then you have to sign in. So this is the sign in button, click on this, and then you will see this type of layout. And if you have the account then you have to click on login, otherwise you have to create the account. So I am going to log in to this button, So when you log in, you will see this type of dashboard. Okay, so inside this dashboard you will see this type of website. So open this website, and after that you will see this type of sidebar. Click on this tools, open this file manager, and you will see this type of upload files. Open this. Okay, so now you will see this type of layout, and after that you must have to click on this public_html and import your PHP file inside this folder. Otherwise, if you upload your file inside this, which is this path, and if you upload your file inside this, then you can't view your PHP file. So you will see that here I upload the PHP file here. So you will see when I right click on this, there is no option of view. Okay, because I upload this file inside this temp folder. Okay, so make sure you have to upload your file inside this public_html. Open this folder and you will see this type of layout. Now click on this upload files folder, click on this select file, and after that you will see my file is saved inside this C, and after that inside this folder, which is notification new.php. Okay, so now upload this file, and this file is uploaded. So now you will see this type of notification new file, and when I click right, you will see this type of view option. Click on this view option and you will see this type of invalid key. Just keep for now and just copy this link of the PHP file and paste that link here. Okay, so now just run this app and see what happened. Okay, so now this app is running and you will see this type of send button, and I click on this send button and make this app to the back, and you will see this type of error. So I think I made some mistake in the PHP code. So let's open this notification new.php and also when I click on this view, there is some error with the key. So where is the... Okay, so now I did not write this key here. And write this API SS key in this codes. Okay, so now let's save this code and again check. Okay, so now it's working fine. Let's run this code again. And click on this send button, and I click on this send button and make this app in the background, and you will see I clicked 3 to 4 times. So you will see this type of notification with the title EasyCoding and with the message Ammara message. Okay, so that's it for this video. I think you like this video, and if you like this video, please let me know in the comment box. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.